Hello my Foodie Phonics friends, how are you all today? I hope you're ready for our next cooking adventure. Let's start with our letter of the alphabet first, shall we? Today we're going to learn about the letter E. The letter E makes lots of different sounds in words, but the sound we're going to practice today is the E sound. Like when we say egg. Did you hear the E sound in egg? Letter E makes an E sound. Let's have a look at the shape of letter E, shall we? We start in the middle over there. We go round, up, down and curve. Shall I do it one more time for you? We start in the middle. We go round, up, down and curve. Letter E. I wonder what I have on my table that starts with an E sound. Shall we have a look? Over here, I have an exercise band. E for exercise. Over here, I have a teeny tiny elephant. I'll bring him closer to you. E for elephant. That's a big word, isn't it? Maybe we can call him Ellie. E for Ellie. Okay. Over here, I have an envelope. I wonder if you know what an envelope is used for. Maybe some of you have written letters to Santa at Christmas time and put them in an envelope to send to Santa. E for envelope. I also have a big envelope over here. This one's mostly for sending packages. Bigger packages that need protecting so they don't get damaged when they get posted in the mail. E for envelope. Let's begin with our cooking, shall we? I'm sure you all know what this food is called. Egg. E for egg. I have a few different eggs to show you today. I've already cooked some eggs in this bowl. These are called scrambled eggs. And today I'm going to use my scrambled eggs to make enchilada eggs. Yummy! I can't wait to taste them. I also have this vegetable. I love this vegetable's flavour. It tastes so smooth and sweet, and this colour of its purple skin is so pretty. It's called an eggplant. Can you guess why it's called an eggplant? Yeah, of course you can. That's because it's the same shape as an egg. Egg, eggplant. Very delicious. Over here I have an egg shell. I cracked this egg open to cook my scrambled eggs. These ones over here. Now, when I crack the shell, the eggs don't look like this. You have to ask an adult to cook them for you to look like this. I'll show you what an egg looks like inside the shell when it's not cooked yet. I brought my see-through jug so I can show you, and you'll be able to see quite easily through the glass. Have a listen to how hard the shell is. Sounds quite hard, doesn't it? But if I crack it quite hard onto the jug, it will break open. Are you ready to have a look inside the eggshell? There's a little crack there, but I have to crack it again. Ready? Okay. There it is. That's the egg white coming out. And then there's also an egg yolk. There it is, the egg yolk. And then we have the empty egg shell. If you wash this eggshell with water, you can crush it into small pieces like this and put it in your garden if you have a garden. If you don't have a garden, maybe someone you know does have a garden. Then you can put the crushed eggshells into their garden and it will help their plants to grow really healthy. They're a bit messy because I haven't washed these ones. So I'm just going to put them in here, ready for my garden. And then I think I'll crush these ones too. So I have lots of crushed eggshells. Listen to the sound. Crushing eggshells. It feels really nice on my hands. A little bit prickly. The eggshells are a little bit sharp on the edges. Okay, my hands hands a bit messy, but I'm going to keep cooking our enchilada eggs. Let's carry on. Actually, I want to show you this little dish. This dish is used to make poached eggs. So now that I've cracked my egg into this jug, I'm going to pour it into my egg poacher. There we go. I'll show you what it looks like in the little egg poacher bowl. Take it out. There it is. Just waiting to be cooked. I have to take it to my microwave and cook it for a couple of minutes, and then I will have a poached egg to eat. My egg poacher. Okay, let's get on with our enchilada eggs. I have some crushed tomatoes here. They smell so fresh. I have some garlic in this jar. I'm going to use a little teaspoon of garlic into my tomato sauce. Little bit of garlic like this. Just a tip of a teaspoon, maybe that's even too much. There we are. Just a tip of a teaspoon of garlic. Tap, tap. Righto, lid back on. Now, over here, I have some herbs. This one's called basil. Oh, it smells like the grass in a park when you run and play. Yummy. I'm just going to sprinkle some basil into my tomato flavouring. There we go. Over here I have another herb. This one's called rosemary. Some of your mums and dads or grannies and granddads or aunts and uncles might even grow rosemary plants in their garden. Oh, smells so lovely, like a forest. Sprinkle a little bit of rosemary into the tomato sauce. Okay, and my last flavouring is a spice called cumin seeds. I love the smell of cumin seeds. It smells like the ground after a heavy day of rainfall. Yummy. I'll sprinkle a little bit into the bowl. There we go. And that's how you make enchilada egg sauce. Give it a stir. Mix up all the herbs and spices. Oh, that smells so tasty and fresh. I'm going to spoon some onto my eggs. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. I think that'll do. And there I have enchilada eggs. Would you like me to taste them like I always do? Are you ready? Let's have a taste of our enchilada eggs. It tastes delicious. Reminds me of running in the park and walking in the forest and the lovely ground after the rain. Yummy eggs enchilada sauce. Bye for now, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow for our next letter of the alphabet.